Follow AndroidProTips.com to get more Android tips. We provide 2 reset methods. First method, hard reset via recovery mode. Second method, reset with Google Find My device. Before reset your mobile, charge your mobile if the battery is less than 50%. You need to make sure that the data on your device is backed up so you do not lose valuable photos or documents. Reset delete all your mobile data, so you better to back up all important data and remove SIMs and SD card. First, switch off your mobile, by holding the power button. After that, press and hold volume down button and power button. Release all buttons when you see recovery screen. Next, select recovery mode option, by using volume buttons and power button to confirm. Afterward, you will see Android exclamation mark. Then while holding down the power button press and release the volume up button. Choose the option to wipe data and factory reset with volume buttons to select and power button to accept. Next, select Yes option. Finally, select Reboot System Now option. Your phone will be reset and reboot shortly. Well done, you are successfully reset your mobile. Follow AndroidProTips.com to get more Android tips. Hard reset with Google Find My device. This is the best method to reset your Android phone remotely. This method useful when you lose your phone or not able to access your mobile. This method also deletes all your Android phone data. After your device has been erased, you can't locate it. You can only use this method if you already added Gmail account to your phone and having an active internet connection. If your device is offline, erasing will begin when it next comes online. Take another phone or PC and open any browser. After that, visit Google Find My device. We provide link in description. Check description for more information. Sign in using the Google login credentials which are used on your phone. After login, there will be 3 different options: Play Sound, Secure Device and Erase Device. Now click on the 2 times Erase Device option. Again enter the email and password. Next, you will see Erase All Data menu. Then tap on the Erase option. Well done, you are successfully reset your mobile. Follow AndroidProTips.com to get more Android tips. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share,